Right, everybody. All right, everybody. I am going to check out the phone desktop stand. I purchased this before I got my Instago 360. Let's see what it looks like. We got our phone holder. Inside the bag, I'm guessing it will look like it says there. Oops, I ripped it open off camera. It's probably a no-no. Okay, so we have pretty sturdy, bendable type rig here. So this is what I'm going to try to shoot another shot with my phone later on the next unboxing. I guess you do this, and I guess you do this. There you go. I'm gonna stick it here, squeeze it in, and this is what I will be unboxing next. Okay, so let's see, try to get it in place and out of view. It did just kind of slide off there. Maybe it needs to be tighter. Maybe you need to bend it before you place it. Let's get it nice and tight. There we go. And there's some sort of switch there. I'm not going to explore too much. All right. So that looks okay. It might be in the way of my Go. So here, a little ball socket, I guess you call it. Loosen up. So it could give you an alternative angle. That's what I was looking for, but I do have the Go on my head, so what the hell? Just have to line up specifically. Now, I do just shove it in. I'll probably break it. Oh no, there we go. Okay, so now let's try to clip in my phone so it would be facing down like so, and this articulates, which is I guess why it's in that. Now you can see that it weighs it down, so you're going to want to kind of adjust for that. Probably want to bend this thing a little bit to how you want it. I mean, that seems okay. It's a little shaky though. If you waited for it to maybe stop shaking, that would be good. Okay, so let's get this garbage off here. Let's try to unbox this in some sort of manner. Okay, here we go. I have pressed record here. You can see it's a little shaky there. I might cut that little bit out. So here we have the Coffee Traveler. Coffee Traveler by La Vida Coffee. Open the box. Nice sturdy box. Inside we have a nice looking type card with some instructions, some cleaning instructions, etc. Inside that, we got our own little flask looking type thing of some coffee. It's got a lot of different flavors. Toffee, cream, cocoa, white chocolate, black tea. Roasting degree process, full city natural. All right. Looks to be maybe by their own. There's a little geolocation, I guess. Their address, I mean. Okay, so we have the standard USB cable and a cup for the beans. And then inside of this nice package, we have the cup itself. Now, I believe what you're supposed to do. So the cool thing about this is that it is a USB charged coffee grinder. So this is like a to-go cup, all in one. You can grind your coffee, keep it fresh. You got your flask of coffee over there. We have our mug itself inside. We have, I don't know, just like a smaller mug maybe. And we have the top portion, like the travel portion, which you can drink out of. So, as you can hear, I have construction noise. It's constant. I hate it. So here you have a bit of a filter, which you would take out later. Okay, so first of all, we have to get rid of that grinding portion. Put in there for now. I need my coffee, Fisher coffee. Now, in all honesty, I did try this out once, and here's the construction noise, but let's drown it out with our own noise. So you pour it in. You put this back in. There you go. Now you could just leave it to grind because it's going to take a while. Now I tried to do this with no construction noise. It's pretty much impossible. Sorry about that, but you know, every time I tried to do it, they would just start again. I'm filming this to get the very end because it will shut off automatically. It's still going. Trying to get it to shut off on its own. It's still going. As you can see, it does take a while. I'm hoping it will shut off on its own. Oh, it's getting close. It's getting closer. There should be nothing there. It should shut off by itself, I think. And it shuts off by itself. And you hear the construction noise perfectly clear now. Okay, so we have our coffee here. We stick our coffee onto the cup, like so, little folding device. Whoops, earthquake. All right. Pour and let it drip. You can see it going down here. can hear it. Now, it would be nice if they provided a little stir stick, which I guess they kind of do with this thing. Just to mix up the powder, I guess. I don't know. I have a, what do you call it? Instapress. And they give you a little stir stick to stir up the coffee. Maybe I could show you the Instapress too one day. Now I just got a dirty broom handle. Stick it there. Alright, I tried my best. I had some construction noise. I need this coffee right now. I hate it. I hate it so much. And you know it's too hot to drink right now. Okay, well, I had a too hot camera. I had construction noise. I had no storage left on my Go 2. Fun day, fun day. Oh, I also made a dentist appointment for Monday. Yeah.